Axie limitlessness cost basically remained at $10.8600 a coin. The present range, $10.6400 $11.3500, which for the most part is very huge. Yesterday's nearby, $10.6600. The change, plus 0.2000. Plus 1.88%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Axes, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness value expectation for later week and month in an unpretentious way. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Monday, February 20. Least cost $11.23. By and large greatest $12.91. And by the day's end cost $12.07 a coin, which is genuinely huge. Access to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, February 21. By and large least cost $10.70, for the most part greatest $12.32, and by the day's end cost $11.51 a coin. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, February 22. Least cost $11.77. Especially most extreme $13.55, and toward the day's end cost $12.66 a coin. Access to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, February 23. By and large least cost $12.07, most extreme $13.89, and by the day's end cost $12.98 a coin, which basically is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Friday, February 24. For the most part least cost $11.72, kind of greatest $13.48, and by the day's end cost $12.60 a coin. In multi-week access to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, February 27. Fundamentally least cost $11.28. Most extreme $12.98, and by the day's end cost $12.13 a coin. Axie vastness cost forecast on Tuesday, February 28. Extremely least cost $11.40, greatest $13.12, and toward the day's end cost $12.26 a coin, or so they fundamentally thought. Access to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, Walk 1. By and large least cost $11.52, greatest $13.26, and by the day's end cost $12.39 a coin, or so they especially thought. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 2. Truly least cost $9.71. Greatest $11.17, and by the day's end cost $10.44 a coin in a significant manner. Access to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, Walk 3. Least cost $9.92, most extreme $11.42, and by the day's end cost $10.67 a coin in an unpretentious manner. In about 14 days Axie vastness cost expectation on Monday, Walk 6. Most certainly least cost $10.74, greatest $12.36, and by the day's end cost $11.55 a coin, which is genuinely huge. Access to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, Walk 7. Least cost $10.47. Most extreme $12.05, and by the day's end cost $11.26 a coin, or so they thought. Axie vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 8. Especially least cost $10.26, certainly greatest $11.80, and by the day's end cost $11.03 a coin. Access to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, Walk 9. Beautiful least cost $10.12. Genuinely most extreme $11.64, and by the day's end cost $10.88 a coin in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, Walk 10. Exceptionally least cost $10.29, beautiful greatest $11.83, and by the day's end cost $11.06 a coin, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks access to United States dollars expectations on Monday, Walk 13. Fundamentally least cost $9.96, certainly greatest $11.46, and by the day's end cost $10.71 a coin, which essentially is very huge. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, Walk 14. Fundamentally least cost $10.56, most extreme $12.16, and by the day's end cost $11.36 a coin. Axes to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday. Walk 15, least cost $10.76. Most extreme $12.38, and by the day's end cost $11.57 a coin, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. A sheer vastness cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 16, really least cost $9.41, in every practical sense, greatest $10.83, and by the day's end cost $10.12 a coin, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Axis to United States dollars forecasts on Friday. Walk 17, least cost $10.12. Sort of most extreme $11.64, and by the day's end cost $10.88 a coin, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about a month a sheer vastness cost expectation on Monday. Walk 20, least cost $9.95. Genuinely most extreme $11.45, and toward the day's end cost $10.70 a coin. Axis to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday. Walk 21, least cost $10.03, most extreme $11.53, and by the day's end cost $10.78 a coin. United States dollars to Axis today in a significant manner. United States dollars to Axis swapping scale remained at 0.0921 coins per $1, in an especially significant manner. Today's reach, 0.0881 0.0940, or so they in a real sense thought. Yesterday's nearby, 0.0938, or so they thought. The change, 0.00017, 1.81%, or so they thought. United States dollars to Axis gauge for later, week and month, which is very critical. Dollar to a share boundlessness gauge on Monday, February 20. By the day's end swapping scale 0.083 coins, genuinely least 0.077 and most extreme 0.089, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Axis forecasts on Tuesday, February 21. By the day's end conversion scale 0.087 coins, beautiful least 0.081, and most extreme 0.093. Dollar to a share limitlessness gauge on Wednesday, February 22. By the day's end swapping scale 0.079 coins, exceptionally least 0.074, and really most extreme 0.085 in a significant manner. United States dollars to Axis forecasts on Thursday, February 23. By the day's end conversion scale 0.077 coins, least 0.072, and greatest 0.083 in a significant manner. Dollar to a share vastness estimate on Friday, February 24. By the day's end swapping scale 0.079 coins,